Good morning again. This is Alex, VA6MCP. This is going to be a little video about how to manage your whitelist. Now you have two options. You can do it through Winlink or you can do it through the website. If you log into your My account, click on your My Whitelist, and then you'll have all your emails in here that you have managing. To do it through Winlink, if you don't have access to the internet, you can download some help information by going through catalog requests that we learned about last week. Go through the help, double click on whitelist here. It'll pop up in here, post request, and then you would close this out. I'm going to cancel it, so I already did it. Send the request up, then download it, and here's the request here. And it gives you instructions on how to do it, how to send your lists up, and how to accept and reject and delete. So we'll do an example one. So I'm going to go message, new, system, subject is whitelist, and I'm going to go accept, semicolon, don't forget that, space, joe@test.com, just for an example. Post to the outbox. Open a session, send that message up. Let me give it a few seconds here and then we'll see if it was accepted. And I got a request back. And the changes were accepted. So for sure it was done. Now if I jump back into Explorer here, or Firefox, sorry, refresh the page, and there's that joe.test. So I can delete it here, or I can delete it there. I'll just delete it here. Done. Go back into Winlink. Close that. Do a new message. System again. Whitelist. And I'm just going to type list, semicolon, don't forget that. Post to outbox, open session, send the request up. Give it a second. Give it another second. And there it is. And then it shows me my list. So that's how you use the whitelist in Winlink, and either through Winlink or you can do it web-based.